Hi beauty babes and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are keeping safe and I hope that you're having a great day. I hope that yeah, you're keeping sane. My way of keeping sane is doing my makeup, as you guys probably know. Now it's my therapy. It is my therapy. So yeah, go and grab a cup of tea and some popcorn. I always say that, don't I? Go and get a slice of cake. Don't need popcorn. Get a slice of cake. Heck, you don't. Do you know what? Most of us are eating a lot more than what we normally do. So I would say just go and get a cup of tea. Just go and get a cuppa and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, so as you can see, I used this palette. It's really good. The blending of it is really good. I'm very, very impressed with everything. I mean, I've been using this now for 6 weeks, 7 weeks, and I just cannot stop using it. It is the palette that I reach for every single day. It is just incredible. It really is incredible. I mean, I know I done like a review on it when it first came out. About 6 weeks down the line, you can see that I have used it rather a lot. Best Friend is one of my favourites. Obviously, as you can see, I put it on my lids. Evelyn is also one of my favourites. I wouldn't be surprised if I hit pan on that soon, actually, because I do use that also as a highlight. But this is just so like metallic. I mean, look at that. That is just... That's a foil and a half, isn't it? That's a foil and a half. So yeah, I think this palette is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's probably my most favourite palette that I own, and that's saying a lot because up until recently my favourite palette was the Slush palette. I love my indie brands, I really do. I love getting behind indie brands and I love supporting the indie brands. Yeah, this is like my favourite palette, and honestly, I have a few favourite palettes. I've got like obviously the Slush palette by September Rose and Brew. I absolutely love those. This and also the Gone Rogue palette. I really love the Gone Rogue palette, but this one is my absolute favourite. It is my most favourite palette that I own. So I will put a link down below as to where you can pick it up. It's £19.99. which for an indie brand is very, very reasonably priced. So, and the pigmentation is great. Everything about it is great. I mean, you can see how much I have used this. I really love this. I mean, Evelyn, should I say, Evelyn. Sorry, Lois. Done it again. Evelyn. Evelyn is like, I use as a highlight. It is absolutely gorgeous. You could get away with self-love if you've got a slightly darker skin tone. To me, Best Friend, just absolutely mwah, mwah. And these last all day as well. You put the makeup on and it lasts all day. Now, if I'm just doing like a soft look, I don't need any primer. Obviously, if you're using Best Friend, then you are going to need something to hold it to your skin, because if you put your finger in and go like that, it's going to stick to your finger because it just adheres to anything that it gets onto. It's like, it is just gorgeous. So yeah, using the silicone brush for me really, really worked, because I was able to spray it and just get it on and get it to stick, which I think looks rather good. I think it looks rather good. So yeah, it's just, yeah, I cannot get over how incredible this palette really is. I mean, I've already swatched Evelyn, although I've just wiped my arm, so I'm going to just do that again so you can see. I mean, look at that. So Evelyn, I'm going to do Self Love for you. I mean, you've probably seen my swatches that I've done already in my video that I was doing for this. This wasn't actually meant to be a video to sell, just these shimmers. Wasn't meant to be a video to sell the palette to you. It was just to do this look that I've got on now. But I am ending up swatching all the shimmers for you, so you can see these are one at a time. Now with Best Friend, I'm going to have to be careful with this because it's very, very intense, but there we go. Gorgeous. Just look at that. Just gorgeous. And those are the shimmers. Just beautiful. And as for the mattes, so we have 4 for you. Look at that. Just look at that. We also have a Bittersweet, which is the black one. So I'll just swatch these. I mean, that's up a little bit, but look at those. Just look at those. Oh, this wasn't even meant to be a video with swatches and stuff, so I'm going to just cover my arms up and just not doing it. Yeah, so just absolutely gorgeous. Just love them. So yeah, so my verdict on this after using this for 7 weeks, I think it is. I think it's 7 weeks. Yeah, although I have used some palettes or whatever for videos, this is what I'm actually reaching for all the time. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for my video today. And yeah, keep safe and have a beautiful day. And I'll see you guys later. Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye. Bye.